Hello everyone. Welcome you to our channel A Word a Day.
Fruity,
Yeah, tell me Tuti.
the dinner is ready.
Oh, finally.
Sorry,
No, that's okay. Come on, let's start.
but remember that I'm not a great cook.
That's fine. Let me taste.
Yes,
You know, the food isn't that delicious.
wasn't expected.
But it's okay. You can smile, that's fine. It happens.
Okay, then do you know the word that is used for tasteless food?
No. What is it called?
It is bland. The meaning is tasteless.
Okay, if not food, at least I got to know a new word today. Thank you, Tuti.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hope you guys are enjoying Tutti Frutti story. Then please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.